Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Margex application on your iOS device. So in order to do that, first of all, open your App Store. Make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, go to the search box at the top and type in Margex. Margex is a cryptocurrency trading platform that offers up to 100 times leverage for trading Bitcoin and other digital assets. Tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iOS device. It'll take a few minutes for the app to install. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button and you will be welcomed with a user-friendly interface for Margex. You can now start signing up for a new account or log into an existing one and get started with Margex in just a few steps. That is how you easily download the Margex application on your iOS device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.